Good morning to one and all. My name is Kirandeep. I am from Srinivas Institute Technology of Branch Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. This presentation is regarding the project on the subject Innovation and Design. So, the name of my innovation is Powered Clothing. So, its features are it contains multiple charging ports, it provides comfort by adjusting the temperature, comfortable and easy to use. It is waterproof and circuits and wires can be removed. So next is its design. The design of powered clothing involves integrating technology and electronics into garments to enhance their functionality and provide various benefits to the wearer. Here are some key elements and considerations in the design of powered clothes. Embedded electronics. Integrate sensors, microcontrollers, and power sources discretely into the clothing. These components can monitor data or provide functionality such as heating or cooling. Washability. Ensure that the electronic components are either removable for washing or are designed to withstand machine washing depending on the garment's purpose. Next is its purpose. Portable charges. We can charge our electronic equipments when we are traveling in long distance. It would be even more convenient to charge even if it is for short distance. Temperature adjustable. It can sense the temperature and adjust according to the need of the wearer.